Good morning, everyone. So today, Sebastian and I are going to prepare fun sushi or candy sushi. It comes in different flavors. So there's grape, orange, apple, and assorted fruit flavors. Check this out. It looks real. So what's nice about this is it comes in sachets, colored sachets, and then you just have to follow the instructions, mix it with water, and it turns into the toppings. So I allow Sebi to open the sachets using the scissors so that he can practice his scissor skills. So you just have to put water, and then you put the powder mix, and then you mix it with a little spoon. So this is how it's going to look like. So you have to do the sushi or the sashimi first so that you can give it time to become like a gelatin, like a sashimi. Or make it look like a sashimi topping. So now we are going to do the ikura. But it's actually candy. So you mix the solution with the water, and then you're going to put water on the other side as well and put in the orange powder. And then using the dropper, you're going to drop the liquid in the other side, and it's going to form into these little balls, just like how ikura looks like. Then now we are going to form the sushi. So Sebi is actually helping prepare the gummy for the wrap, the sushi wrap. Here we are preparing the soy sauce, but it's also candy, of course. Sabi, slice it into...
Is this like that?
Slice it like that and put it here. 1, 2, 3 here. But you have to shape it. Go.
It's in my hand.
Like this.
It's in my hand.
Here's the finished product. Good job, Sebi. Okay, go try it. Try the sashimi one.
Where's the sashimi? This one?
This one sashimi.
Sashimi.
Mga matamis.
Tamis naman eh.
Okay, hold it properly.
How
Oh, 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 oh.
I don't know how to hold this.
Oh, get the sushi na lang. This one. This one na lang.
Try it
Yeah.
na. I wonder if
Hold
it's
it
sweet.
properly.
It's
Okay,
Eat it.
there.
Ah,
Honey.
eat it. Is it sweet? Even the, is it like gummies? The black one?
yeah.
Yun ang hulog.
Yummy.
What is that? Wala lasa. It's sweet?
Lasa.
It's all sweet?
Yeah, super sweet. It's like,
Sugar water.
it's weird. Because it looks so real. But it's like sweet.
This.
Good job on the sushi, buddy.
Yay.
Here. Try the one with tamago and the ikura.
I think that's
Okay, slowly.
different
Hold
flavor.
it slowly. Hold it
wala
gently.
eh. Hindi kaya. Spoon na lang nga.
Yeah. This one. Yeah, that one. Gentle. Just the amount of pores. Yan. Yan.
Ano yung soy sauce? Tikman mo nga. What is it?
That's just some sauce.
Tamis
Okay, you
din?
can hold it with your hand.
Matamis din?
Yeah, matamis din. Okay.
Good job, Graham.